This is the point piece, and it will go at the bottom next to your feed dogs, and we're going to place glue here on the right hand corner and take the right hand side of the spike unit, and we're going to match the top and sides like this. Try to make it as straight as possible, this side and the top, and hold it for just a second to let the glue take hold. Then come to the other side, and we're going to do the same thing here, only without the glue. And just match the top and the side and bring it over to your machine. Start with your needle down. Take a few stitches. Then find the unit at the bottom again, the point unit, and hold on to that where you just glued and make the unit underneath lay flat. Then we pick up and gather the top part, and we're going to rotate it like this slightly and use our thumbs to push the fabric out to the edge, so the top and the bottom match the outer edge here where you're going to put your 1/4 inch. And stitch. And let's check it. So this one's a little bit better. The straight edge here and the straight edge here. And when these are done, you will press them towards the point unit.